So we got the two bolts out. You can see the caliper, but in using the MAP gas or the propane, I burned a little bit of the rubber, the seal caliper pin, so it can pretty much slide. So get one of these new. It's probably in a kit, maybe like $5, and then make sure you get high temperature grease that's made for these pins, and then put some grease over here too. And remember, high temperature brake grease is not the same as grease, because it gets so hot here that regular grease would just evaporate and go away. So you need this high temperature grease that doesn't disappear. And don't put too much in here, because if you put too much in here, when you put the bolt in, you get like hydrostatic lock, because there's all the grease and no room for the bolt to come in. And so if you're confused, watch a YouTube video and it will show you that you don't put too much. And then make sure you get a hanger and hang it up here so your brake hose doesn't go bad. Risker out.